do not wait. Wanajua hauna uhai, lakini wanataka wakuzike ili wapate ile faida ya kuwa wao ndio wamekuzika. Wanajua hauna uhai, lakini wanataka wakuzike ili wapate ile faida ya kuwa wao ndio wamekuzika. So that is ODM for you. Raila Odinga has quit politics. Therefore, as students of Raila Odinga, me and you, Kalonzo Musyoka cannot match William Ruto. You know him. He's colorless. He is colorless. He has no stance. He has no position. Wanajua hauna uhai, lakini wanataka wakuzike ili wapate ile faida ya kuwa wao ndio wamekuzika. So that is ODM for you. Raila Odinga has quit politics. Therefore, as students of Raila Odinga, me and you, do not wait. Wakenya musilale, lale lale, Wakenya musilale, bado mapambano. So if you are waiting for Raila Odinga in February, ni kama unangoja ferry airport, haitakuja. Sivyo? Alafu tumeambiwa tunawashiwa Kalonzo Musyoka. Sivyo? Kalonzo Musyoka cannot match William Ruto. You know him. He's colorless. He is colorless. He has no stance. He has no position. Have you ever seen a trailer ikigongana na baiskeli? Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka kushindana na William Ruto ni kama trailer inagongana na baiskeli. Sivyo? Hatutajua kuna ajali. Sivyo? Trailer itapita na tutajua. Kwa hivyo, we need a king. You need what? We need what? We need a king that can work with Raila Odinga head on. Mtu haogopi. Mtu atashindana na William Ruto kama vile Raila alikuwa anafanya, sivyo? Because the king is going to Addis Ababa, a new king has been born. I'm sure some of you know that Professor Fred Ogola was anointed and installed by Luo Council elders, not to take over from Raila Odinga, but to take over from something bigger than Raila Odinga. Tom Mboya had a vision for Kenya. Ni uongo? Ni uongo ama ni ukweli? Sasa, the death of Tom Mboya physically is not the biggest tragedy. But the vision of Tom Mboya's death is the biggest tragedy. Thanks God, I will not allow that to happen. I've gone to Risinga Island. I've gone to Mesolian for Tom Mboya. The Luo Council elders have told me that the spirit of the Luo people have landed on me. They have given me the name called Ward Luo. I am going to take over from Tom Mboya. Remember, Tom Mboya was not just a tribal king. Tom Mboya was accepted across the country. Just like Kenyans, you are all here from all walks of life. And are you fighting? No. Kenyans have always been peaceful. The only time when we lack peace is when a politician tells you ati mtu ni Mkale, ati mtu mwingine ni Mjaluo, mwingine ni Mluya, mwingine ni Mkikuyu. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. The essence of human being is the same. Your tribe is an accident. My name, Fred Ogola, is an accident. All human beings in a laboratory are the same. Unanisikia? Na kwa mdomo ndio unaita mtu kabila fulani. Kenyans, mtu asikwambie wewe ni kabila fulani, wewe ni kabila ingine. We are mothers of one. We are children of one mother. Children of one father. Usiambiwe hiyo. Unasikia? What we are looking for is a vision of Tom Mboya. Tom Mboya took Eric Njoroge for a course in Israel to become a substitutor. Mtu wa shabaha, sivyo? Na huyo Eric Njoroge ndiye aliua Tom Mboya. Unasikia? That is true. He's the one who shot Tom Mboya in Tom Mboya's street. He was a substitute trained by Tom Mboya. Traitors went and gave him money, promised him position, and promised security. Have you heard about Eric Njoroge? He doesn't live in Kenya. There's a case of Tom Mboya which is not yet concluded. But Eric Njoroge is living somewhere in peace you don't even know. But that means Tom Mboya did not care about tribalism. Follow his example. Care about the country. Are we together? So according to me, I've taken over the leadership of Tom Mboya, especially his vision. Education was ever key for Tom Mboya. Tom Mboya, we share a lot of similarities. Tom Mboya was in St. Mary's Yala, I was in St. Mary's Yala. Tom Mboya used to sleep in a dormitory called Tom Mboya Hall, and that's where I slept. Tom Mboya was sleeping in room number 14. That's where I slept. So this is something that ancestors so long time ago, I was just told those things. So let's be honest that there is no vacuum in leadership.